Class A drugs in bed, and we sleep close like sardines, canned up snug in the bathtub. But when the water comes on, we'll know it's been too long. Still immobilized by depressants and inhalants and stimulants, and facedown in 2 inches of water will drown. My lover, do you recognize me now? My face is gray, my hair is falling out, but we're not too old for tomorrow. We're not too young to back out. We're not dead yet, so we'll drink the blame instead. Amber, liquid, lighter, fluid, all the same to your intestines. I can't speak the same these days. I don't recognize my boys and the trophy wives and red brick homes and migraine pills and silicone. They're all slipping away. They're gone. Your mother will be getting worried sick. All the Cabernet in the world won't calm her down. But we're not too old for tomorrow. We're not too young to back out. And I am so fucking confused. My tongue is salt and pepper static. Waking up under the bed, find you smoking in the attic. Dehydrated and decayed, I roll myself into your blankets, taking up what space is left between you and what you wanted 2 years ago in 12th grade, when your hands and your legs revolted, said you'd drive your father's car over the Francis Scott Key Bridge. I'm sorry, it all sounds the same. I'm so sorry now. I'm sorry, it all sounds the same. I'm so sorry now. My brother in U.S. Army Green, I can still sense him wanting to ask my dad if he's proud.
So are you proud?
Fucked that up.